Hi, I'm Kevin with Acteon, and today I'm going to show you how to install Sopro cameras on Dexis software.
First thing you're going to want to do is open up Internet Explorer or any browser and go to www.acteonportal.com. Once you're here, you're going to go over to Imaging Device Knowledge, down to Sopro Camera, click that, and then on the left, under Download Links, click the Snap Download. Once that downloads, go ahead and open it, or save it to your desktop. Go ahead and find it. In some cases, you may need to extract it if it doesn't already do that. And you will find a Sopro Snap folder. What we want to do is get this Sopro Snap folder onto your computer via your program files. So to do that, open up your File Explorer, go to your PC, go to your C drive, and Program Files is where you're going to want to drag that folder into. Once that folder is in your Program Files folder, go ahead and open it. You're going to find a good deal of files. The one we want to open is Sopro Snap. Right-click it and click on Properties. From here, click on Compatibility, and you're going to need to change settings for all users. You're going to want to run the program in Windows 7, and then run this program as an administrator. Hit OK, hit OK again.
We'll do the exact same thing with Dexis 9. Right-click, Properties, Compatibility, run as all users. Windows 7, and then run program as an administrator. OK.
From here, you're going to go back into the website, click on the Sopro drivers download, and you're going to want to download the Windows 10 compatible version. Go ahead and run that. It's the USB 2020 video driver. Once it loads, you're going to click Next. This is going to install the driver onto your computer, and click Finish. Now you're done with the website. Now we need to get the capture button working. So double-click Sopro Snap, and you're going to see this little box appear on the screen. Hold down the Control button while clicking the box, and you're going to see the settings.
Go ahead and click Broadcast, followed by External Launcher. Then in the Applications, click the three dots and select Dexis 9, Open, followed by Launch at Windows Startup and Put an Application Tray, and click OK. Let's go ahead and open up Dexis. Then click on the little gear next to the word Dexis. Now we're going to go to Dex Image. As long as the camera is connected, you should see Sopro camera driver on the screen. But if not, just click Video Hardware number 6 and then Sopro camera driver as the capture device, and click Done. Now let's pull up a test patient. Just test is fine. Now let's go ahead and click the camera icon on the top right. There we go. The camera appears to be working. We can capture an image, capture another image. Now let's go ahead and just work on the settings. Click the gear, click OK. Now we want to click the video tab. Brightness is best when it's set to about 110. Simply click on brightness, And then you can go ahead and move it down to 110. You can use the left and right arrows to fine tune. Contrast, we're going to put that at 30. Hue is going to look best at 64. And saturation at 44. Go ahead and put sharpness at 2 and click OK and click OK. Now the most important thing is to make sure that the Sopro Snap loads when you start the computer up. Best route to do here is to hit the Windows icon on your keyboard and R at the same time. So Windows and R. When the little run icon pops up, type in shell:startup. This is the folder of everything that starts up when your computer starts up. What we want to do is take the Sopro Snap from your Sopro Snap folder, right-click on it, create a shortcut, and drag that shortcut into the startup folder. Now, when you restart, Sopro Snap will start up too.